Loving yourself is the first secret to happiness. Ask me why. Because if you love yourself enough, you're going to ask yourself the right questions. You would have more clarity about what you want from your life, what is the purpose you're living your life, how you want to treat others, and how you want to really connect with them and be the best version of yourself for the world. So, for many people, self love is nothing but shopping and pampering yourself enough. Yes, it is all a part of it, but it does not give you a permanent, resolution to self love. If you're really looking for a permanent and a deeper connection to love yourself enough, and it also means you're connected to yourself spiritually, physically, emotionally, mentally, all these areas are taken care of. And that's when you will be grounded in loving yourself, loving everything that's around you, creating a sense of appreciation and gratitude and living in it. All of these can happen only in self love. So it's also about the choices that you make in your life. If you're happy being distracted, or like I happened to speak to a client of mine who was wanting to go abroad and study, but her parents could not afford it at this point of time. So she said every single day is a new fight for me with my parents, because I want to make them understand the importance for me to go. And what I made her realize is, don't you think just by staying here also you can achieve that kind of success? It's not necessary to go abroad and study, because her parents cannot afford that right now. Don't you think by just worrying about it and not contributing to her education, she's not able to study where she is right now? So you're not contributing to your own education at that point of time where you're living, and worrying about something that you cannot see is also a place where you're putting yourself down, you're letting yourself down. You're not contributing to your life where you are. And so these are some of the most beautiful lessons to learn, because self love actually develops every single bit in you and who you are, and it connects you to yourself very deeply. You can make the right choices for yourself, and you'll be very thankful. When I talk about gratitude, that is, you show gratitude when you love yourself. When I say that, I mean you're going to be thankful only for the fact that you're breathing right now, you're living in this moment, you are here in this world, you're alive. And because you're alive, you can connect yourself to a purpose, you can get more clarity, you can work with the kind of people you want, you can associate yourself with the kind of people you want. There's so much you can do where you are, just because you're alive. And being thankful for being alive is the most beautiful thing that you can ask for, right? So I hope you understood what I'm talking about in self-love and why it is the first secret to happiness. Before I leave, I want to request you to like and subscribe for my channel, and click the bell icon so you'll get an alert whenever I create a video. And not only that, there are so many people who are facing different issues related to health, relationships, and all of that. But how they can show courage in those situations is by enhancing their self-love, by asking themselves the right questions and doing what needs to be done. And the biggest thing is, it takes a very long time for many of us to understand this much. So, there are people, like, for example, many a times, if it's a guy, he can open the door for a woman, or anybody, in fact. He can open the door for anybody of a car or of a place where you're going to chill out. So it actually shows that you're present in the moment, and you're taking care of them so well that they know that you love yourself enough, and that's why you're doing it for them. And what you get in return, you get the same kind of treatment in return. So it's very important to be surrounded by the right people, by acknowledging yourself. You're showing self-love. We never acknowledge ourselves for all the good that we do. We only keep complaining many times, I can't do this, I can't do that. We keep looking at our incapabilities. But did you see that you did something great, something amazing at those times? You showed courage in several places where you are. So being thankful that you're breathing, that you're alive, that you're able to show gratitude to the universe and to yourself and live a beautiful life itself is loving yourself. It's all a part of loving yourself. I hope this really makes a difference to you where you are, and it helps you understand the deepest truths of self-love. Okay, I'm signing off for now. See ya. Bye-bye.